Welcome to the tour and visit of J. Everett Light Career Center. My name is Shawn Wright Browner, and I'm the director and principal of the Career Center. J. Everett Light Career Center is located at 1901 East 86th Street, which is behind North Central High School. We are a career center that prepares students for college and careers. We have several programs that prepare students for college and careers, and those programs are listed here. We believe in making sure that our students have a great experience, and here's a video of just a few of the things that we do here. All these videos, how come you haven't done one for J. Everett Light Career Center?
No time like the present. You ready for me?
Yep.
Students headed for greatness, want a career that puts smiles on people's faces. Skills will be developed in sterilization, radiographs, and the management of patients. What I found, I'm loving music sound, production sound, editing, mixing, music composition. Take time and see on 89.3 Career Center's mission. Advance you in veterinary assistant, anatomy, physiology, medical terminology, gotta see cosmetology, makeup, hairdressing, styling. Grab a chair, start smiling, exciting, give, become a licensed cosmetologist, medical assistant, uplift the vision and explore health-related disciplines, assisting diagnostic procedures. Wait, the medical field needs ya. Interested in culinary arts, start looking. And then we learn the basics of cooking, international foods, baking, pastry, and you know I like how it tastes. See, every hour we growing hospitality, working right, serve safe, certified. Law enforcement, you'll love this. Gain skills to enter criminal justice, get help and develop skills and welding. Working right, American welding certified. Nothing like the media arts in the city though. Direct, produce, write, record music videos. Hands-on experience and what you're taking. TV studio, a radio station. Health careers uplift vision. Entry level nursing assistant position. JEL, work and rise. CNA, certified. Now let's take it to graphic and web design. Joy and art is in you. Design logo, CD, booklets, and menus. Wanna save your life? This is your home. Learn the splinting of fracture bones. Transporting patients and the urgency. Actions to take in a respiratory emergency. Education, careers, plan, develop, teach, and supervise youth activities. Use your intelligence, enhance a child's development. What child care center as close as this on your child develop associate? Why here you gotta see automated service technology, automated operation. Can't forget the service maintenance. We are prevailing. Auto maintenance detailing, interior, exterior, cleaning, waxing, buffing techniques. It's a passion. Engine performance, tire brakes. Show me how to get a higher pay. Sound system design, installation, window tinting, vehicular customization, manufacturing process. Put some swag in this. Three-dimension modeling, analysis, robotic applications, maintenance. Can't forget about safety. Want to be unique with custom painting techniques. And an I-Car Alliance training facility. Are you feeling me? Replenishing automotive collision repair and refinishing. Animation, film production. Where do I begin? Recorded, edit, debut your own film. Lift your dream from script to screen. 3D printing, robotic CNC machining. Love what I'm hearing. Advanced manufacturing technology and engineering. Work-based learning. Are you hearing this? Earn high school credits, gain real work experience. JEL. While here you earn dual credit. college credit for the courses you'll take. You also have an opportunity to get involved with career technical and youth organizations. Visit the JEL Career Center online at www.jelcc.com or in person at 1901 East 86th Street, Indianapolis, Indiana 46240. You can call today at 317-259-5265 and schedule a tour today. Looking forward to seeing you there. JEL.
So as you can see, our students have a great experience at the Career Center. And now you will be hearing from your teachers.